The Joby S4 is an electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft designed for passenger transport. The S4 is a tilt-rotor aircraft, meaning that its wings and propellers can tilt from a vertical position for takeoff and landing to a horizontal position for forward flight. This allows the S4 to take off and land from small spaces, such as rooftops or parking lots, without the need for a runway. The S4 is designed to carry 5 people, including 1 pilot and 4 passengers. It has a range of up to 150 miles, 240 kilometers, and a cruise speed of 200 miles per hour, 320 kilometers per hour. The S4 is powered by 6 electric motors, which are powered by lithium-ion transportation into a sport, embodying what flying was meant to be. It's equipped with state-of-the-art avionics, including the G3X touch display from Garmin and an optional 2-axis autopilot. The aircraft is powered by a Rotax 912 engine, producing 100 horsepower. It has a maximum speed of 95 kcas, 109 miles per hour, and a range of 427 nautical miles. With its stunning design and advanced features, the Icon A5 is truly a unique and versatile light sport airplane. The Rolls-Royce Spirit of Innovation is a world record-breaking electric aircraft that is paving the way for a more sustainable future of aviation. It's a sleek, single-seater airplane powered by 3 high-performance aviation and demonstrates the potential for this technology to revolutionize the way we travel. The Vertical Aerospace VX4 is a 5-seater, all-electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft designed for urban air mobility. It has a sleek and modern design with a high wing, V-tail, and 12 propellers. The VX4 has a range of up to 100 miles, 161 kilometers, and a cruise speed of 150 miles per hour, 241 kilometers per hour. The VX4 is designed to be a sustainable and low-noise form of transportation. It is 100% electric and produces 0 emissions. The VX4 is currently in the development stage, and the first full-scale prototype successfully completed remote thrust-borne flight tests, providing a convenient and sustainable solution for urban transportation. The Volo City can transport passengers between key transportation hubs like train stations and airports, bypassing congested streets and offering a faster, more seamless travel experience. The aircraft is equipped with 18 individual motors and features multiple redundant systems for maximum safety. It's incredibly quiet, thanks to the rotors operating within a narrow frequency range. The Volo City has already undergone over 2,000 test flights and is working towards type certification. Initially, flights will be piloted, but the ultimate goal is to offer a fully autonomous service. It's India's first 5-seater electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft, developed by Nalwa Aero in medical evacuation, tourism, and agriculture. Its compact dimensions, slightly larger than an SUV, set a new standard for space efficiency. The Nalwa 5X is not just an aircraft, it's a promise of a sustainable, efficient, and versatile future in air mobility. The VA2X is an electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft prototype developed by British company Vertical Aerospace. It is designed to test new technologies and systems for integration into Vertical Aerospace's upcoming passenger model, the VA1X. The VA2X has a maximum range of 50 miles 80 kilometers and a top speed of 50 miles per hour 80 kilometers per hour. It can carry a pilot and 4 passengers. The flying car that can take off and land from any airport and then fold up its wings to drive on the road. This light sport, rotable airplane has been under development by Terrafugia since 2006. Powered by a Rotax 912 ULS piston engine, the carbon fiber vehicle can reach a cruising flight speed of 93 knots, 107 miles per hour, 172 kilometers per hour, and has a flight range of 425 nautical miles. On the road, it can drive up to 70 miles per hour, 110 kilometers per hour with normal traffic. The Transition received a Special Light Sport Aircraft (LSA) airworthiness certificate from the FAA in January 2021.